In 1943, something went horribly wrong in Philadelphia. A U.S. Navy ship, the USS Eldridge, vanished into thin air. They called it the Philadelphia Experiment, a secret attempt to make a warship invisible. But their result wasn't invisibility. It was madness. Witnesses described sailors screaming, lightning cracking across the ship, and then silence. Some crew members were never seen again. Some were fused into the ship's steel. Others returned years later, confused, changed. The U.S. government denies everything, but leaked files and censored reports suggest otherwise. So ask yourself, what really happened in Philadelphia? Was it a cover-up, or did they open something forbidden? Tell us what you believe in the comments below.